Let's make a roast Jalfrezi chicken curry. This is what I'm talking about. Let's butterfly this chicken. So, cut along either side of the backbone. Backbone removed. I'm gonna save that for stock, something like that. I'm just gonna little slit along the breastbone there, and then I'm just gonna crack this, push it down. So now we've just got a nice flat chicken. That skin's gonna get some really good contact, brown up really nicely. I'm just gonna clean up these little pockets of fat, get rid of that. I'm gonna place my chicken into this bowl. All right, marinade for this chicken. I'm gonna keep it simple. Garlic, ginger, lemon, oil, salt and pepper. Forgot about the salt and pepper. All right, just get this all into a stick blender. Give it a blitz. 2 garlic cloves, 3 garlic cloves, massive piece of ginger. Use, yeah, about that much. Do a little chop up, help the blender out. Juice of 1 lemon going in there. Going with some oil. About yeah, that much. Gonna hit it with some pepper. And some salt. Oh, it's all right. It's all right, we're good. We're good. We'll just bench scraper. Best invention ever, look at this. I'm not perfect. I don't pretend to be. If you want a perfect cooking show, go watch Jamie Oliver, Gordon Ramsay. Nothing happened, guys. Everything's under control. Now, I'm just gonna blitz this up until everything's nice and smooth. Like, that alone, like, look at that, look how beautiful and thick and emulsified that is. I'm gonna get all that flavor onto this chicken. Onto and into, that's what the marinade does. Get our hands in there. We're building like layers of flavor here. This is 1 layer of flavor. This is good. This is good on its own. And then you roast it in a cast iron. Get caramelization on the skin. What's that? Another layer of flavor. Caramelization. Caramelization. And then you get the sauce with all the spices, the chili, the ginger, the garlic. And then you serve that with it. And what do you get? Another layer of flavor. My goodness. All right. Now we just let that just do its thing. Marinate for 2 hours minimum overnight, ideal. Chicken has been marinating for 2 hours. If you can do overnight, better. Now we're just gonna get this into the pan and sear this. Listen to this sizzle. Listen to this sizzle. Ready? We'll lay it away from us. Ooh. Okay. Oh yeah, that's what we want. Oh, can you smell that? Damn. We don't need to put oil in the pan because that marinade has oil, so we're good to go. We just want to get some caramelization on the skin. What are we doing, Ricky?
Layers.
Layers, 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 layers.
Windows.
And windows, yeah. Fire alarm. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. We just want to give this a little sear, caramelize the skin a little bit, get some dark, nice charred bits on there. And then we're gonna bang this into the oven and now we roast it. This will be the quickest roast chicken you've ever had. Sear it off for 5 minutes, screaming hot, ironclad. And then we chuck it into the oven 20 minutes, 25 minutes, depends on how big your bird is, if you know what I mean. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna turn this. I'm just gonna get the rest of the marinade, pour it on there. Get it on, so that's flavor. 2 teaspoons. Look at that chicken. Can you see that? That caramelization, that's what we want, that's what we're talking about. We're just gonna bang it into the oven for about 20 minutes. It's gonna be perfectly done. Because we've spatchcocked it, it's gonna cook quicker. And in that time, we're gonna make our Jalfrezi curry sauce. So technically this is butterflying. It's not spatchcocking. Apologize. All right, let's get this in here. 20 minutes. While the chicken is roasting, gonna make this Jalfrezi curry sauce. Usually, you know, you'd cook the chicken in a curry, have the sauce together. It's something different. It's not a Jalfrezi curry anymore. It's become a new thing. That's my little 2 cents on it. Call it whatever you want. This onion is like half purple, half white. Can you see this? Is that not like a half purple, half white onion? Okay, anyway, we will chop our onion. 1 onion. Done. Gonna go 3 cloves of garlic. We'll just slice this up. Just everything roughly chopped. You don't need any finesse with this because we're going to blitz it all up at the end. So we've got 1 big red chilli here. Just slice this up. Brilliant. And a non-traditional, I've been looking at this, what is this? It's a capsicum, but it's a very skinny one. 1 capsicum, and we're just gonna slice up our capsicum. That's all done. Now we wait for our chicken to finish roasting, and while that rests, we're gonna make our curry sauce and plate up. It's gonna be delicious. Woo! My goodness. Look at that. That's a beautiful thing. Let's check this. Yeah, 60, 64, 65. Oh yeah. Awesome. That chicken is perfect on its own. Roast some veggies, whatever. Bang. Dinner done. But we're gonna level this up. And what are we gonna do? Add another
layer.
That's right, Ricky. Okay, so let's take this chicken out of the pan, rest it on a board. 10-15 minutes. Let's let that chicken rest. But while that chicken is resting, we're gonna make our Jalfrezi curry sauce. We've got our cast iron on medium heat. Now we're just gonna add all of our onions, capsicum, garlic, chilli, all of that. And now we're just gonna get a little bit of color on this. The water from the moisture from the onions, the garlic, the capsicum's gonna come out and lift up all that fond, all that caramelization. I'm not even joking. This looks like it. Like this might be the best version of this I've made. All of that goodness from that chicken. The key thing to like building flavor is you're building the curry sauce in the same pan that chicken was roasted in. That's like you've instantly leveled up how much flavor you've got into the curry by doing something like that. Ricky, actually, I need you to like try this. Just get your finger. Get your finger. Just. How much flavor is in there? How much flavor is in there? That's the fond that the chicken's been roasting. The chicken fat, this, that, all of that is now in that sauce. Oh man. Oh man. Now we add our spices. This is a curry after all. Ground coriander. Bang. Cumin. Cumin powder. Bang. Smoky paprika. Bang. Garam masala. Bang. It's a symphony. It's a symphony of spices, flavor, color. Turmeric. Bang. Chili flakes. Little bit of spice, little bit of spice. Boom. Bang, bang, boom. All right. That's all in there. Toast our spices till they're nice and fragrant. All right. I can turn this heat up just a little bit. Gonna go in with some chicken stock. Just get our chicken stock. Just gonna deglaze all of that. That's gonna stop our spices from toasting and burning. Now we just wanna let that reduce by half. Just gonna add a little bit of salt at this stage. Not a lot, just a little bit. We'll season it at the end, but I wanna season it every stage. Okay, so our chicken stock's reduced. I'm gonna go in with some crushed tomatoes. Full can, why not? Okay, just gonna taste this, see where we're at. If we need any more spice, see what we're working with. Doesn't need any spice. We're just gonna let that reduce, season it with salt, and that's perfection. That's perfect. Our Jalfrezi style curry sauce has been bubbling away. Our curry, I'm just gonna call it curry sauce. I don't want to offend anyone here. Our curry sauce has been reducing. You can see that's nice and thick. So let's turn this off. Ricky, cameraman, who's also an engineer, turns out, has constructed this device. So now, this is the real test. So now we just get our curry sauce and we just pour that. Oh my gosh, that was user error. Get it all in there. Yeah, perfect. So now we just give this a blitz. As long as it doesn't go to the bottom. Okay, So let's just give this a taste. Bro, that is, I think I'm getting emotional. That's so good. A little bit of salt. Okay, put that to the side. Let's clean this mess up, carve the chicken, plate it up. We're gonna be done. All right, I've got a platter to serve this chicken. This chicken's been resting for about 15, 20 minutes. It's still super warm. See all these chicken juices? They're not going to waste. They're going into our sauce. I missed completely. They didn't go in, but most of it got in, all right? There we go. Perfect. Gonna grab our chicken, place that onto our board. Now we're just gonna carve this chicken up. This is the moment of truth. So we just wanna get rid of the thighs. It's just gonna fall apart. Skin is delicious. Absolutely beautiful. Just find that joint there. Just cut our drumstick and our thigh. Take the wings off, go a piece here. Can you see? It's like perfectly cooked. It's like glistening. That's what you want. We're just gonna plate this up family style. Sauce at the base of our platter. Perfect. And then we're just gonna pile all this chicken right in the middle. Just get creative. Get it all in there. Pile it up. If we can grab a wing, drumstick. We're just gonna garnish that with some flaky salt. Just over the chicken. Just get some texture. Pop of salt. Got some coriander leaves. And just sprinkle that all over our plate, our platter there. Damn, that looks so good. Oh, I'm so pumped to try this. Dip it in the sauce. Look at that. My mouth is watering, I haven't even bitten it. So freaking tasty. Cut the cameras and there's some alone time with this chicken. Cut it, cut.